Hi guys, we're at Section 8 Airsoft and it's yet another pyro video, this time a little bit of fun though. What you can see behind me is a prop for the upcoming Milsim this coming Saturday. So I'm going to pass these over to my glamorous assistant who's going to post them down the barrel. I'd advise you to turn your volume up to get the full effect. We'll start with an Enola Gaye Mark 5, TLSFx Mark 7 and then the big boy at the end, the Mark 9. Hold on to your hats guys.
Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole!
Hold on to your hats guys, cover your ears.